Hi, this is John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the 36D. I had a question recently from a customer who was using one, and they were talking to me about how they thought the feed was kind of a little too jerky. And what I told them is they're feeding it too fast. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to kind of demonstrate what they were experiencing and how feeding it too fast can create a kind of a jerky motion, and then show you when it's properly feeding what the motion looks like. So right now I'm gonna open this valve, but as you watch the ram, the head of the machine, as I start to open it, movement starts, but now you start seeing this jerking where it's bumping down. What you're seeing when you see that is that the hydraulic cylinder is, as the pressure builds up, because it's feeding by gravity. The weight of the head is what's feeding it. And when it goes between the kinetic friction and the static friction, you get this bump like that, which is really undesirable if you're in the middle of a big rock. So what I did is I set up an indicator here on the beam, and I can basically open up the feed, and you can see if I open it up too much, it goes a full revolution. But as I open it a little bit, then you start to see this more natural motion. I'm slowly opening it, but a little movement here is a fair amount of movement on at the end of the bead, so you don't want too fast a feed. Oh, I'm at the end, my indicator ran off. I'm like, why did it stop? So I'm gonna set my travel back up on my indicator. Now you can see,
there you go, yeah.
You can see the motion here. The indicator that's a pretty fast feed rate right there. Now I can slow it way down, and you can see I can really control this feed rate so that when you got this big blade engaged in a log or a big piece of jasper, you can control how fast it's cutting. If it's soft, you can speed it up. If it's hard, you can slow it down. And you have a really precise control with a really simple little mechanism. And if you're feeding it properly, then you don't get that jerky feeling, which is really undesirable anyway. So, and if you have a hard time seeing it, just throw an indicator on it like this, and then you can see how you're dialing your feed rate in and get it to a feed rate, and you go, oh, it's cutting really nice, that's right where I want it, and let it do its thing.
Now also, when you put air to the cylinder to lift it, you may get some jerkiness coming up,
Oh
because
yeah,
you're really forcing that ram up.
But that doesn't matter because you're just retracting it at this point in time.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.